Welcome to Michael Rosen's Storytelling Tips. This one is about using sound effects. It's fantastic fun when you're sharing a story with little ones to have lots of sound effects. It brings the page alive. So I've got a double page spread here in this book, The Treasure of Pirate Frank by Mal Peet and Elspeth Graham and Jez Tuya. And there's a wonderful spread here. And the text goes, "This is the swamp where bullfrogs sing, past the forest where monkeys swing, over the mountains snowy and cold, on the island of spice and gold, beyond the sea that must be sailed." And in the picture, there are frogs, there's a dog, there's a butterfly, there's monkeys in the corner there, and you've got water with it swirling around. Now, you can pause on a page like this, and so you can do your bullfrogs in whichever way you want. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Or if you've got little notes to it, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Any way you like. You've got the dog, ruff. Or maybe it's a, you see, and it makes the picture come alive, you see. And then you've got the monkeys, woo, woo. Chimps, I think they are, woo, woo. And then you've got the butterfly, flip, 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 flip. So all those noises will make this page something for the child to be able to pore over and enjoy. Yes? So as you go through a book, you can find these, and then you'll find that children will have favourite pages because you've made the noises. You know, there's lovely pictures of the sea, so pshoo, pshoo, pshoo. There. Excellent. Makes the book come alive. Oh, there's a little bird on the back. So that's it. Thanks, and come back for more storytelling tips.